we're gonna make a salad dressing for this salad. This salad has cauliflower, onion, peas, and I'm gonna put some sunflower seeds on it. And the dressing that we make in this video, you can use on any kind of salad. To start out, you want to cook some garbanzo beans and then add them to your high-speed blender. We're going to add the garbanzo beans to our high-speed blender. It's important to have a high-speed blender for this because that's what makes it really smooth. We're going to put some garlic powder in it. We usually like to put some garlic cloves in here, like you can put 1 or 2 garlic cloves, but if you don't have that, you can just put garlic powder. And then we're going to do some onion powder, some salt, some pepper, and then we're going to add this lemon juice. I actually squeezed, this was a lemon right there, and I used that squeezer to make my lemon juice. So this is 1 lemon. We're gonna add our 1 lemon juice to this. Now when we make hummus, we usually add olive oil, but we're not gonna add olive oil to this. And then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of tahini to this. Once you have that in there, you blend it up till it's smooth. Once it's smooth, you add it to your salad, and then you can put the rest in a glass jar and put it in the refrigerator for a couple days to use for your salads later this week. Here's what the salad looks like with the hummus dressing on top, and then I'll end up just mixing that up together. You can also use sunflower seeds on your salad, or you can use pecans. I switch between the 2 of them. And you can also add stuff like peppers, or if you don't like onions, take out the onions and just mix up your salad a little bit.